David Muthoka, KTN News, Nairobi.
Now, petitioners in a case seeking to stop the Muchelule-led tribunal from trying the Cherera 4 claim the 4 IEBC commissioners were condemned and heard by the parliamentary committee that probed them. The petitioners told Meru court today that the tribunal should not proceed, as doing so would be prejudicial to the court. The court has started hearing inter-parties applications today and is set to continue tomorrow morning. Purity Museonzuki reports.
The 4 IEBC commissioners Juliana Cherera, Irene Masit, Francis Wanderi and Justice Nyang'aya might have just received a huge boost following a move by the Meru court to hear a petition by 3 Meru residents who moved to court to stop a tribunal appointed to investigate the conduct of the 4 commissioners during August polls. On Tuesday, lawyers representing the 3 petitioners argued that the commissioners were denied a chance to defend themselves on the election sabotage claims during the hearing by the Departmental Committee on Administration of Justice and Legal Affairs.
It's clear that the 4 interested parties were never afforded a chance to defend themselves before the first respondent, that is the National Assembly. And it is out of those violations that the petitioners have approached this court. And my lord, this court is clothed with jurisdiction under Article 165(3) of the Constitution to deal with the matters arising from this petition.
The proceeding continued Tuesday despite a plea by Commissioners Juliana Cherera and Irene Masit for the court not to hear the case and for their names to be struck out of the petition. The 3 Meru residents want the court to issue conservatory orders restraining the implementation of a special gazette that announced the appointment of the tribunal by President William Ruto. The tribunal is being chaired by Justice Muchelule-led and held a status conference last Friday. The tribunal has, however, asked the court to dismiss the petition since the timelines for the operations of the tribunal are limited by the Constitution. The court will make a ruling on the preliminary objections Wednesday.
The cost list for tomorrow shows 51 matters, but we can deal with this matter early in the morning, just like we did today, Mr. Kegora. Tomorrow morning at 8:30, is that okay for a ruling on the preliminary objection?
The petition to save the 4 commissioners, however, comes at a time when 3 IEBC commissioners, Juliana Cherera, Justice Nyang'aya and Francis Wanderi, have already resigned after a build-up of criticisms from Kenya Kwanza allies and Kenyans. Purity Museonzuki, KTN News.
Thank you, Purity. Teachers